everyone! Happy Saturday! Mag-ano kami, mag-grocery for today's video. Oops. Yan yung aking husband. So ang init ngayon. Ang init ng temperature today. Dito kami sa ShopRite. Oops. Parking. Yan yung formahan natin for today's video. Simple. Isang init.
I think I just did the exact same thing.
Ha?
So bad
Need a
at
little bit. Good luck for me then. Good luck sa akin. Good luck sa akin na mag-drive kasi parang mahirap mag-park. I don't know. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hindi ko nadadalhin yung ano ko.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Ang init. Let's go. Ito yung forma ko. Saka ano. Ay, super duper init. Ang simple ng formahan natin for today's video. So, ganyan. Yung asawa ko yan. Gonna get the card. Oops.
Is that hot?
Huh? Yeah, it's really hot, but I'm good. You should have took the cooler, but you didn't. Stop, right? Nag-init.
I should have velcroed it to the...
Yeah. Do you have the Velcro? No. Kasi nung nasa long distance pa kami, binivelcro niya yung cellphone niya para makita ko siya mag-shopping, mag-grocery. Ang ginagawa. Nahiya ako mag-vlog pero wala pa kapalan ng muka. Hindi naman nila ako naiintindihan. So, bahala sila sa buhay nila. Parang parang, ang tawag dito? Feel na feel ko, diba? Ngayon ko lang ito ginawa, pero ito yung formang yung asawa ko. Ito kami ShopRite. So for I'll get this. Yeah, we need broccoli. It's my, how much is this again?
What, blackberries?
Yeah, $2. $2.50? Oh no, it's raspberry. Wow. Yung balinghoy. No, I still have tomato. Are you gonna get some apples?
Yeah, maybe.
Kasi may mahilig siya i-dip yung apple sa caramel. We're gonna get this one. Oh yeah, you did. Yan, pipili siya. Kasi kapag bibili kami ng ganito, hindi siya mauubos. So yan, kukuha lang ng pa isa-isa. Are you gonna get the red one or the green one? Is the red one?
Honey crisp is really good.
Maybe this? Oh, this one?
Endy.
Why is it sweet?
Yeah,
Ito daw gusto niya kukunin. It's $2.49. You want me to get this? Don't like it? You don't like it? Are you gonna... Oh, it's only few left. Means it's good. Right?
Oh, maybe I haven't gotten it in a couple days.
Yan. Oh, you're gonna get green ones, sir? Are they just same price, right?
No, it's 2.9 a pound.
May mga peras sila dyan. Yung peras nila parang ang ganda pa ng peras natin sa Pilipinas. Maybe I'll just get few of this. Kukuha lang ako ng ilan kasi meron pa ako sa bahay. Ayoko naman Paano ko lang kapag gusto kong magluto ng pinaksiw. Mahal ng bilihin. $3.99 siya. Per pound. Walang magagawa. Sa US ka, hindi ka sa Pilipinas. Ito, wag ko lang siya damihan. Konti lang. I still have 1 onions. Nalik niya yung ano. Ganyan. Kasi merong isang ano sila. Parang isang watermelon. Pero ano lang siya, 5.99. Ang laki niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung maganda.
One like this, see this? This one.
Yan. Siya na daw yung ano. Is that good?
See like that? That means it's been sitting on the ground,
Yeah.
getting nice and ripe.
Yan daw yung sabi niya.
You want snacks?
What's next?
These are all snacks.
Some chips?
Chips, snacks.
Let's go for chicken first. Kukuha ako ng salmon. May paksiw pa akong leftover. Pero kapag gusto ko mag-prito, salmon na lang. May mga ano sila sis. Tignan nyo. Ano nila? Ano tawag dito? Mussels. Magkano yung mussels nila? 5.99. Naku, kaloko. Ito. Wala sa dagat. It's only, you know, when you go to the province, this is free. My dad can go to, you know, with his brother and they, you know, we cook. Yeah, that's free. This is 24. Diyos ko. Ito, ang liit, ang laki, 17. Yung maliit is 24. $11. Ito, 23. Gusto kong iprito. Meron silang salmon na ano na. Ito, 10.49. Ikat ko lang siya. Or maybe this one. Bahala. Ito na. $10. Ano yun? It's,
Getting
nasa mid section naman kami. Kasi maggagawa siya ng ano niya, ng lunch niya. We still have some ground beef, don't we?
242.
Kuha kami ng itlog. Yeah,
I
check.
don't have to eat it right now.
Kuha kami ng biscuit. Where's the butter one?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna get the regular.
Tapos meron silang mga pagkain na ano na, naiinitin mo lang, lalagay mo lang sa microwave. Diyan. Ang dami. Diba? Creamer. We're gonna get the creamer. Can you see it? Yung creamer sa kape. So we're doing mathematics.
We're doing Bounty paper towel.
Yeah,
math.
Bounty paper
Very
towel.
complicated. So this one's 12 for 30, which is 30 bucks. That one's 10 for 30, which is 30 bucks. So
We
we
had
should
the-
go for the 12 for 30.
We had the 12, right?
I
Don't
think
we?
this is the one right here, 12 for 30.
Yeah.
That's what is this one?
For
As
ano,
thick
for ano
as-
sila dito, eh, paper towel.
It's very confusing.
So we're gonna get... Hindi niya alam kung ano yung kukunin.
And that winds up being how much? $2.29 per roll. See, we're saving 20 cents per roll.
You really?
See? It pays to do Bounty paper towel math.
Can't say anything about that. May tissue sa Pinas, pero sa kanila dito, tissue is like paper towel. Oops. What? Is that the one?
Yeah, come on, spin this one. I'm saying, do I have the beans today?
Parang
Remember I
sira
bought
na
beans
yung
last time? I bought beans last time, right?
Yeah, you have a lot of bins in the house.
Not a lot, is it? I don't think I have a lot.
So how many bins do you got?
I'm gonna
It
get,
was like 4 cons?
was it 4 cans?
Yeah.
Then I don't need any beans.
You still have... You have that? A lot.
Yeah, if it's 4 cans, then I usually use 1 or 2.
Madami silang mga international food dito. Mexican,
Smoky hot.
smoky hot. Ay, mahilig siya sa maanghang.
Buy this, you won't regret it.
If they
And
like spicy
if you'd like to
food,
sponsor me, Cholula.
ito.
Yeah, you get
What is the
some.
one that you get? This?
Yeah, it
Ito.
don't matter which company. I
Mga
don't
beef
really care.
stock. Pero maganda siya talaga kapag magluto
This is
ka,
small,
tapos
no?
ganito yung gagamitin mo. Mas, ano siya, mas masarap yung sabaw mo. pala ako ng ng shrimp kasi magluluto ako ng yung buttered garlic shrimp yung gusto ko. Pizza sila mga sisi. Like iba-ibang flavor. Pero hindi ko bet yung mga frozen food. Tapos lang, may mga sila, ganyan. Mga bagels dog, yung may mga hot dog. Yan, may mga sila, pizza roll. Ang dami. Kaloka. Tapos ito, yung pasayan. Ano yung kukunin natin?
Frozen
Where are we going?
jumbo shrimp.
Nagtatagalog ako sa asawa ko. Hindi naman ito nakakaintindi. We're gonna get this is
That was the
cook?
$11.99. Yeah, that's
Ay, cook
good.
na
You
yan.
don't want
Ayoko ng cook.
the- You want the one that's not cooked.
Nilang ng mga Ay, what is this?
What's the raviolis?
Oh, I thought, akala ko fishbowl.
That's not a fish bowl. These are my people.
Akala ko fishbowl. Ito, mga this is already cooked, right?
Yeah, that's lasagna.
Ito na, yung luto. Ayoko ng mga lasagna, mga macaroni. Ilagay mo lang sa microwave. Yan. Or just get you just get that one. Yan yung asawa ko, yung pinakagwapong asawa.
These are pretty big.
Yeah, we can get that.
Make fried shrimp with this.
Mga ice cream. Ito yung ice cream na gusto ko. Yung siya. Yung mga prutas.
They have, what was the one we were looking for? The lime?
Ganyan.
Or the watermelon?
You were looking... No, I'm good with... I still have
Oh, they
watermelon.
got the ones
May mga sila dyan. Fries. Sweet potatoes. Mga fries. Tapos, mga waffle fries. Pa iba-iba.
my favorite. That's my favorite.
Bili kami ng ice cream. Yung sa
The
akin naman is
buffalo was
chocolate, mahilig ako sa mint chip. Paborito ko. Meron pa ako sa bahay, pero konti na lang. Pero gusto namin itry yung
This
Hagen,
right here is my favorite.
Häagen-Dazs. Bumili kami ng ng
French vanilla.
$4.10. Dalawa na siya. Tapos kumuha siya ng kape na flavor. Hindi naman naubos. Sa akin na malapit na maubos ito. Tumitingin naman sa ibang flavor pero hindi naman kakainin. Mahilig siya sa matatamis pero hindi siya mahilig sa ice cream. Pero siguro parang trip niya lang, di ba? Trip mo lang.
Huh?
No? Trip mo lang.
What?
Trip mo
Ano?
lang. I said trip mo lang.
Trip along? What's up?
It's just, you just like it and later on you're not gonna eat it. Oh, we have to get her cough medicine.
Oh, yeah.
Yung niya pala kasi inuubo yung asawa. What was the one that you got? Where? Oh, pang bata pala yun.
I don't want nighttime. I just want regular.
If you get the night one, it will be drowsy.
You know what it is?
Nagbabayad na kami, mga sisi.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, not a good thing. Well, we guessing on prices or what?
Nag-guess kami ng price every time. I think it's like 190.
Yeah.
190 sa akin. How about you? What's your guess?
230.
230 daw sa kanya. Okay, we'll see later on. So, tingnan nyo magkano lahat ng mga sis. Yan. 190 sa akin, sa kanya 230 daw. Tignan natin. So, yung mga nila dito, yung mga cashier nila, babae at lalaki. 'Di ba sa Pilipinas, puros babae yung cashier natin. Sa kanila dito, babae lalaki. Tapos yung mga nila is mga bata pa. Mga edad siguro, mga 18, 17. Lumaan si ate. Ito, video-video na ako lang mo ginagawa. Natulungan ko yung asawa ko. Halo siya. Yung bet niya is 230. Yung sa akin is 190. And what was the total? 214. 215. So, nanalo siya.
Oh, it's $214.89. So $215 if you're
So,
out.
nanalo siya. Di sana ako magpapatalo. Pero,
I
alam mo maganda dito kasi yan, pwede mo yung magamit to. Kapag kapag hirap ka maglakad, pwede mo siyang gamitin, sakyan. Pwede siya, yun yung maganda dito. Ang init, sobra. Parang pagod na ako sa init. Let's go home. Uwi na kami guys. Update ko kayo later. Bye! So, we will do grocery haul. So, nakauwi na kami guys. So, we got watermelon. This is, how much is this again? Where's the...
I threw that out.
So, mga ano ito? $5.99 something like that?
Yeah, it was $5.29.
Watermelon, seedless siya. Wala siyang buto. Most of watermelon nila dito walang buto.
Did you need these?
Yeah, I need
Put
that.
them away?
Yeah. And then, we bought some eggs. Like 12 pieces, right? 1 dozen.
Eggs. This one, let's go.
Yes. Kasi ano nyo na. Why you,
Put them away. I'd rather them be fresh than...
And then we got shrimp. Ilalagay ito namin sa para hindi siya peeled na siya and pwede mo na siyang i-defrost lang tapos lutuin kung ano gusto mong lutuin. Ganyan. And then we got some beef broth and chicken broth. Chicken broth. Parang nilalagay na namin sa para may stock ng mga kailangan. And may ice cream, yung Manchip ice cream. And the creamer, ito, sa kape namin. Ito yung ginagamit namin sa coffee. And milk niya. Kaya umiinom ng milk na ganito, yung sa bowl and basket, whole milk. Hindi ako umiinom ng ganyan. And then, honeys. Ano siya, candy na may honey sa loob. And then another beef broth. And then some broccoli. Dalawang broccoli. And we have green beans, I mean. Some blackberries. What is this? This is the salsa na gagawin niya. Gagamitin niya for his lunch. Gagawin niya yung lunch. This is biscuit. Dalawang biscuit. Some, what is this? White onions? White onions. Tatlo. Spanish onions. Tapos, what is this kind of onions again?
Not called an onion.
What is this again?
Called a shallot.
Shallot. Pero sa atin, sibuyas. Ayan. Ito yung Spanish olives. Itatry ko. Kasi hindi pa ako nakatry. How do you pronounce this? Ricaito? Cilantro?
Cilantro.
Oh, it says cilantro. Cilantro daw.
It's cilantro.
Ito, sofrito. Bala siya. Italian. And
Not Italian.
lemons.
Spanish.
Spanish?
Yeah.
And then some garlic. Mushroom. For gagawa siya ng burger steak. Yung Jollibee. Sana Jollibee, di ba? Hopefully Jollibee. Yung niya, gamot niya sa ubo niya. Chicken breast for his lunch. And another chicken breast. More chicken breast to go. Ground beef. And what is this? The cubes? Chicken cubes?
Chicken and tomato.
Chicken and tomato
Bouillon.
cubes. And may salmon. May patatas pa kami.
And
We have potatoes. What potatoes?
you got one more.
And we got some apples. Mansanas ni asawa. So this is the end of my video. I hope you like it and I hope you will subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions for our next video, you can comment down below so we can do another video on the next vlog. So I hope you guys like it and have a good day everyone. Bye.